Hello, my name is Dan Weiss, and I'm the product manager of Microsoft Learning Labs Online. Today, I would like to show you how easy it is to set up Labs Online for a course and the great benefits that Labs Online provides for students and MCTs. The first thing we'll need to do is go to learningcentral.microsoft.com. This portal is used to distribute digital content for our CPLS channel. I will need to sign in, which I already have, and my sign-in rights allow me to access the Sharon CPLS organization, which is our demo organization, to be able to set up classes in that. I'm going to be clicking on this link here. We are now going to schedule online labs here. Next, I'm going to be wanting to set up a Windows Server Active Directory OA course. So I'm going to be clicking on this link here. These columns here show the number of licenses I've purchased, the number are available, and the number in use. We're going to be setting up a class with 6. Actually, we're doing very well business-wise, so we're going to set up a class with 19 students today. The class is going to be very last minute because our sales team has been great this quarter, and it's going to run on the 1st, and it's going to end on the 5th of February. And here's another great benefit of Labs Online and Learning Central. If you wanted to use Live Meeting, WebEx, or any similar product, all you need to do to make Learning Central into a distance learning application so that you can provide students anywhere in the world with this product, you simply need to put in a presenter URL for your MCT so that they can distribute the content, and an attendee URL if you would like your students to be able to see the content as well. And then with a product like Live Meeting, now your instructor will be able to remotely log into the labs that your students are running and see what they're doing on their desktop wherever they are in the world. We are going to be clicking on Next here to continue because it's not going to be a live meeting or distance learning class. This is going to allow me to review how the curriculum is set up for the class schedule. I'm going to click on Next. I've always wanted to teach a course, so I'm going to be my own instructor today. Going to click on Next again. And we're going to be clicking on Next because these are the resources that come with Labs Online. The lab manual, which we've corrected and updated to ensure that it is the most accurate component possible, and a sandbox guide so that an MCT can understand how the VMs are configured if they need to provide a workaround or they desire to change the steps. I'm going to click on Next one more time. Now I'm going to review the course offering here, and I'm going to click Save, and the class has been scheduled. Next, I'm going to click on Manage Class here so that I can show how easy it is to set up students. I'm going to now click on the course that I just set up here, the bubble, and I'm going to click on Manage Students. We are going to add a bunch of students in because the class has been great. And now we're going to click on Next. And here is one of the most amazing benefits in my mind about Labs Online. Microsoft Learning has heard from you that your students want to be able to access labs before, during, and after the class to reinforce what they're learning and to be able to practice. In some instances, say running a complicated lab in 64-bit, students will not have the machines to be able to set this up at home. But now with Labs Online, they can access these machines anywhere, anytime, as long as you, the CPLS, want to provide them access. Currently in Labs Online, you can provide access up to 7 days before the course and 21 days after. We are planning right now in an upcoming release to expand access after the course to 180 days. Think about the amazing benefits there. 180 days for such a small price. Now students have the ability to reinforce their learning, and they will be thinking about you, the CPLS, while they do that because of the amazing value that your organization is providing to them in regards to furthering their learning. But I want to make sure you can see how great this process is and how seamless it is. Students will need to receive a code to be able to access Learning Central. So I'm going to click Select All, generate the codes. Now each one has an offer code. I could send this invite, but some of these folks